Pompano Beach, Florida.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Welcome to Doorbell Updates. Wooster, Ohio. A girl taking a stroll through somebody's property. Brooklyn, New York. We have a package thief. St. Albans, New York.
Hi,
Pompano
you
Beach,
are currently being
Florida.
recorded.
A man pulls up and appears to be going through somebody's mailbox. At 3 a.m. though. Upland, California. A strange man lurking around somebody's property late night. Lake Worth, Florida. Now, I've featured this guy in a previous video, and the next 3 clips you're about to see is him acting very strangely coming back and forth to these people's door.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello? Hello?
I know it's been quite some time since I dropped a video, but I had a lot of things going on in my personal life. So if you do enjoy the videos, I thank you for your continued support. Anybody who's new here, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll be getting you weekly content again soon. Until then, peace.